Hi friends. Even though I'm discussing here the weaknesses that a lot of women now masculine and a lot of men are now feminine, it doesn't mean that anyone owes you love. Because if you're empty inside, and you must watch a video where I discuss where all of the emotional struggles comes from, is because your parents did not give you enough love, and now it's not your husband and it's not your wife's responsibility to give you that love. When a person emotionally full internally, they can give. But if they're empty inside, what they do is they demand, husband, you owe me love. You must love me. You gotta do this to me. You gotta buy me gifts. You gotta take me to vacation. All of these demands not gonna lead you to happiness. It's actually gonna destroy your relationship. And same thing with men. You cannot demand love. You cannot demand sex from your wife or your girlfriend. That's also gonna destroy your relationship. My friends, you have to understand, stop paying attention to what's wrong with your partner. It's your duty to understand how man and woman supposed to be, how they can live in harmony, and that's why I'm recording those videos. But you cannot watch a video that is meant for men and then go and say, oh, you're doing these mistakes. No, you gotta watch video that is meant for women so you can learn what is your mistakes and work on your mistakes. But don't you go and point out fingers to what your husband is doing wrong or what is your wife is doing wrong. That means you're not getting the coaching. That means you just want to be a punisher and judge. And guess what? When you're judging, when you're punishing, when you go around and pointing fingers, means you're really not working on yourself and you're not committed to that relationship. So I hope it's been helpful. Namaste.